What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be taking the wheels off the F250 and also gonna show you guys how to fit the hostile center caps or any of the center caps that bolt on an OBS. I had a lot of messages on Instagram about it, so we're gonna do a video on it while I'm taking the wheels off, so y'all stay tuned. Grab some tools from the Mac Daddy toolbox. There's a tool you need you can't find in this toolbox. You don't need to be near a car. Thing's got everything in it, dude. So grab our Allen key so we can put it on the quick drill. Make it a little bit faster so I can show y'all. But yeah, so I got a lot of hits on Instagram that saw my center caps and stuff on the truck. If you have an OBS, you know it's got huge center hubs that stick out. So a lot of wheels you can't run center caps on them. So I went back and forth. I did a lot of research on who sold like an extended cap. And let's get down here. Hostile sells an extended cap, so the cap's actually a little bit thicker. When you order your wheels from Hostile, or you can get them off their website, the guy I ordered them from, I told him I didn't want the regular center caps, I needed the thicker ones. So he made that happen as part of the deal, so it worked out pretty good. Plastic looking nuts, so you want to make sure you don't grab one of those. So for my hub, so even with the thicker center cap, you can't get it over the hub. It will still barely hit in the back, and the front hubs actually stick out more. So what you gotta do is you go down to Ace Hardware and you get these nylon spacers. So it's probably like a 3/8 spacer, I think it was. So go ahead and take your bolts, take them down there with you to Ace 2 and get a little bit longer bolts than what comes with them, and then your nylon spacers. So then what I did was I just took a little bit of, you just need a little, you can glue them on there if you want to, but you don't need to because the nuts will hold them in place. I've had them on here for a year and I haven't had any issues. So just take a little bit of painter's tape and just tape them, and that way it spaces them out, just that much. So when you put them on the truck, even with the spacers on there, it still recesses the cap back in here. You can see a space there, but I got my big lug nuts, so you can't see any spacing once you have it all mounted up. I'll show you on this front one, but now that I have this one off, that way you guys can see what I did to space them. So if you're running these center caps on an OBS truck and you're wondering how to get them to fit over your thick hubs, that's my easy fix for it. Like I said, you go down to Ace and Ace Hardware, I think even Tractor Supply has a pretty good arrangement of different bolts and nylon spacers and stuff like that. As you see, the spacers held up fine. We're down in Florida, so it's a lot of heat, you know, they don't crack or anything. My hubcaps didn't fall off. You know, once you put them on, you're supposed to check them anyways. But yeah, there's the front ones. Like I said, it recesses the cap back in there to where you can't see them anyways, so works out very well. Turn this stupid. It's so funny, dude. You have a key in there and don't ding, and then you start filming and it's like ding, 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 ding. That's what drives me nuts. So we're gonna get the truck and the lift over here. I'm getting in this lift right here. This guy will be off tomorrow, so we're gonna take the wheels off, hopefully get them broken down tonight. And dang, man, I'll show you guys my rock lights, dude, since they're on. But got them mounted up in there. You can see none of my wiring, all my wiring's tucked. So all down the side. So we're gonna be adding a couple more rock lights. I know some people are switching to the LED strips, but rock lights look clean. I can hide all the wiring. You know, if you're doing rock lights, they do take a long time to put on. I got 10 hours into wiring rock lights on the truck. So don't think you're just gonna slap some rock lights on there and roll with it. I mean, I guess you can, but then you see all these dudes with wires hanging all over the place. It just looks horrible, man. Take your time, do it right the first time. That's how you need to do it, man. You know, just because you throw some lights on it and drive down the road, it isn't cool. You gotta make it so during the daytime, you know, you can't even see my lights. Unless you look way up in here, which nobody's looking way up in here. You still can't barely see them because I got them mounted on the back side of the fender, so. But you can't see any of my wiring. I'll show you, for instance, I tucked all the wiring right up this bed mount right here, wrapped it in wire loom. It's all zip tied along the bracket, so you can't see none of that. So take your time, do it right, make it look good, and you have something to be proud of. So I'm gonna get this thing racked and then show you guys what it looks like with no wheels on it. Alright guys, so there she is without the wheels on it. Got all the wheels off of her. Yeah, overall, not too bad. It's nice when you have a lift. Sorry when y'all, you know, blessed enough to have a job where they let me use the garage at night after hours, so gets me out of the house for a minute while everybody's on lockdown. I'm still an essential worker, so trying to work as much as I can. These things are heavy, dude. 2212s, Hostiles, Predators. So, see, I gotta redo my brake calipers. Had them all painted, they looked all nice, and now they look like garbage again, so I gotta clean those up again. And do got some other stuff to install on here. So that's about it, guys. We're gonna wrap it up for this video, but I appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate all the support. Please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you're an OBS fan. We will be working on this one again, and got some stuff to do to it. So maybe put on the back burner. My wife's out of work, so kind of stinks. Holds off on buying anything for now. So just gotta kind of watch what I spend, but no big deal. At least I have the truck, right? So I mean, if it takes a year, who knows if Daytona Truck Meet will even go on this year? We don't know. It's too early to tell. But right now in Florida, they got all the beaches closed. Up at Daytona right now, they actually have a testing site for the COVID-19, so who knows, man. We still got a month and a half till Daytona Truck Meet. I don't think the OBS will make it. If anybody is interested, hit me up if you're in Florida. I will be selling the Hostile 2212s, and they will be brand new. So dropping that video pretty shortly. I'll be posting them on my Instagram, so make sure you go follow An Auto Addiction on Instagram as well. And yeah, guys, that's about it. So far the rough country lift's holding up pretty well. Figured I'd do that while I got the thing up in the air. like I said, if you got one of these lifts, it does not come with these extended links for your rear sway bar, so you got to buy those. I think I did get those from Rough Country as well, but they do not come in the kit, so you will need to buy those. And then again, like I said, in the front, you'll need those drop brackets for the front sway bar. So, but yeah, dude, look how massive that hub is, dude. So unless you ran like a 2.5 inch spacer and then put your wheel, which would put your wheel out to about there, you know, if you ran a 2212 with a 2-inch spacer. But you know what sucks about wide wheels? When you got a fresh paint job and then you wash it and you're look at that nice rock chip right into the new paint. So I already talked to the body guy, he's gonna touch that up for me. And I got another gnarly paint chip, dude. So aggravating. I don't know if it's the paint chip or my kids got out and hit the corner right here, but I was like, dang, what's that crap on my truck? No, it's all the way through the paint. So that sucks. I thought it was something like this that would just rub off, but it's not. So, enjoy owning a nice truck. You gotta try to keep it nice. That's the challenge, guys. That's the challenge. So, and auto addiction, share with your friends. We'll get these tires dismounted, and yeah. So if you guys got any questions, DM me. You can DM me on Instagram. And again, appreciate you watching. Try to help everybody out. If you follow me on Instagram and you have a question, hit me up. There's a bunch of guys that message me, like from AC questions to lift questions to the wheel center cap questions, you know, where I got this from, where I got that from. So if I can answer it, I'll try to help y'all out. That's what my channel's for. You know, love of cars, try to help people out. So yeah, guys, we'll see you later. I know I said about 20 times that was the last thing I was gonna do, but then something else pops in my head and I forget. So but it's late, it's about 1 o'clock in the morning, so I'm gonna head home, take a shower, and head back to the grind tomorrow all over again. So appreciate it, guys. We'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good night.